Alright, we finished our bathroom. So this is the bathroom. We completely complete all the accessories, which is like this. So we have the indoor, the split unit is over here, accelerator, and the inverter is outside, of course. And this is the small closet for the bathroom. And we got the standing shower. Oh yes. And this one, the shower head, the grab bar. Okay. And here we go. We got a new one. The radiator is inside. And that's the cabinet over here. The mirror. And here we go. Yeah, some small pictures of decorated something for the owner. Look at this. Yeah, nice job. Nice job, Bimbo. Nice job. Very good. Okay. Then we go to another job. Another bathroom for this group, Ben and Victor. Okay. That's it, baby. Yan yung contractor na pogi. See?